Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Tuesday evening, July 15, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of finance news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned, and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline.
Shopoff Realty Investments secures $52 million refinance of 270-acre project. Shopoff Realty Investments has secured $52 million in financing from Peachtree Group for the block at Elliot in Mesa, Arizona, a 270-acre project. This financing will allow Shopoff to advance the project to the next stage of development, including grading and utility improvements. Shopoff President and CEO William A. Shopoff expressed satisfaction with securing the financing despite current market uncertainties. Since acquiring the project in 2022, Shopoff has obtained approval for annexation into Mesa and a mass grading plan. Grading is expected to start in late 2025. Walker & Dunlop's Mark Strauss and Rob Quarton facilitated the financing, overcoming complexities in the capital structure. Shopoff Realty Investments, based in Irvine, California, focuses on value-add investing and development projects across the U.S. For more information, visit www.shopoff.com or call 844-4SHOPOFF. Bluespring Wealth Partners merger creates $865 million AUM firm. Bluespring Wealth Partners announced the merger of Hickory Asset Management, Inc. into Ritter Daniher Financial Advisory, LLC, creating a firm with over $865 million in assets under management. Hickory, led by President Dan Leskowiczek, will join forces with RDFA, led by managing partner John Ritter. Both firms share a commitment to personalized wealth management solutions. Clients will benefit from expanded capabilities and enhanced service accessibility. The merger will allow for seamless client care and growth opportunities. Hickory's name will remain until 2026 when Dan Leskowiczek retires. Bluespring Wealth Partners supports both firms in their combined entity, aiming to power scalable growth and better serve clients. Update: 2025's Changes in Inflation by City, WalletHub Study. WalletHub has released its updated report on the changes in inflation by city, with the year-over-year inflation rate at 2.7% in June, the highest since February. The study compared 23 major metropolitan statistical areas using the Consumer Price Index to measure inflation. Seattle, WA, and Washington, D.C. were noted as having the biggest and smallest inflation problems, respectively. To see how inflation has changed in the short and long term, WalletHub compared the Consumer Price Index for the latest month to 2 months and 1 year prior. For more details, you can read the full article on CityBiz's website.
A new mining model is emerging, and Wall Street is paying attention. ES Gold Corp is revolutionizing the mining industry by redeveloping past-producing mine sites with known volumes and historical grades. This new approach challenges the traditional high-risk, high-capex model of mining. With gold prices at an all-time high and demand for minerals booming, companies like ES Gold are attracting attention from Wall Street. Leveraging their expertise, ES Gold joins other mineral miners like BHP Group, Barrick Mining, Franco-Nevada Corp., and Kinross Gold Corp. in positioning themselves for success in a market full of potential. This shift in mining strategy is reshaping the industry and offering investors a new way to participate in the mining sector. Trump's tariffs on copper could turn into an own goal. President Trump's recent announcement of a 50% tariff on copper imports could backfire. The tariff, set to begin on August 1st, aims to boost domestic mining and smelting of the metal. Companies like Tor Metals Inc., TSAVIT, specializing in copper deposits, may be impacted. Investors can find updates on Tor Metals Inc. in the company's newsroom. Mining Newswire, a platform focusing on global mining and resources, offers various communication solutions for companies looking to reach a wide audience. For more information, visit Mining Newswire's website.
tech media breaks, Beeline Holdings Inc. NASDAQ BLNE names Kristen Miller to lead AI mortgage QC platform. Blink QC, Beeline Holdings Inc. BLNE has appointed Kristen Miller to lead Blink QC, the company's AI-driven mortgage quality control solution. Blink QC automates the mandatory 10% pre-closing audits required on conventional mortgage files, cutting audit time from hours to minutes and helping prevent costly mortgage buybacks. The platform, which applies over 800 rules, is set to generate revenue in August through Beeline Labs, the company's SaaS division. CEO Nick Luza praised Miller's leadership, while Miller highlighted the product's speed, accuracy, and value. Blink QC will be sold on a seat-based pricing model.
Investor news breaks. HealthLinked Corp., OTCQB, HLYK, engages Meridian Group to drive strategic partnerships and NASDAQ uplisting goals. HealthLinked Corp., a healthcare technology and patient engagement company, has engaged Meridian Group to drive strategic partnerships and NASDAQ uplisting goals. Meridian will help accelerate platform adoption, boost revenue, and position the company for potential uplisting. David Chua from Meridian will lead the initiative. CEO Dr. Haim Michael Dent sees this as a pivotal step towards scaling HealthLinked's ecosystem and increasing market visibility. HealthLinked Corp. is committed to improving global healthcare by facilitating the efficient exchange of medical information between patients and providers. For more information, visit the company's website. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.